Level 9.
What is this?
There's an animal hiding in this desert.
Whale? It's right over here. It's a whale?
Bird.
Oh, it's a bird. I didn't see that.
Level 10.
Oh, I see it already.
This animal likes water.
Right here. Flamingo. Look, you can see the head right over here. Boom. Right over there.
Swan.
Oh, it's a swan. I mean, I was technically close.
Level 11.
What is this?
This landscape has different colors.
I can see the animal right here. Right over here. This whole animal. Oh, that's a lion. Right?
Lion.
Yeah, I was right.